fantastic day. Oh, hey, your hands are cold. Well, you know what they say, cold hands, warm heart.
No, cold hands slept outside.
What?
I had to go sleep outside because you were snoring so loud.
Oh, come on.
No, I'm serious, Hayden. I slept outside.
You can sleep outside. It's freezing out there, honey. But... Outside, huh?
Hayden, we have got to do something about your snoring.
Well, come on. It just started a couple of months ago. You'll get used to it.
Get used to it? Every night it's like listening to someone kick-starting a motorcycle next to my head.
Ah, stop exaggerating. I mean, how loud could it be? Jeez.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is how you get when you're suffering from sleep deprivation.
Well, I know what to do. I'll take care of it today. I'll buy you some earplugs.
I tried earplugs. They didn't work.
Maybe you didn't have them in right.
You're right. I put them in my ears. They should have been up your nose.
Okay, I snore. I am sorry. A lot of men snore worse than I do. I mean, what do you want me to do?
Try sleeping with some of them.
All right, come on. I'm going to be late for work.
Well, Hayden, I can't go through another night of this.
Okay. We'll talk more about it when I get home, all right? I promise.
Okay.
Why don't you try and get some sleep? You look beat.
Hey, I stopped by the travel agency, picked up the tickets for next week's recruiting trip.
Oh, thanks. Where are you guys going? Chicago. You gonna take a look at that defensive tackle we like? Wait a minute, you couldn't get a direct flight from Minneapolis to Chicago?
Sure, get one if you want to pay top dollar. I just think we ought to school be a little bit cost efficient. You make one stopover, it's like half.
Where's the stopover?
Mobile.
Mobile, Alabama?
Yeah, it's a great time. You'll love it, Hayden. Plus, we're staying overnight on a Saturday, and that costs even less.
I want to go to Mobile, Alabama. Plus, I don't want to spend a Saturday night there with you.
Well, come on, Hayden. I don't know why. Not come, please.
Hey. What's going on here, Luther?
Well, it turns out that next week's the annual NBLA convention, and this year it's in Alabama.
What the hell's the NBLA?
National Basset Hound Lovers Association.
You hijacked me to a dog show?
It's not just a dog show, Hayden. It's one of the most fun weekends of the whole year. I mean, there's thousands of Basset Hounds there, all shapes and sizes. Long ones, fat ones, long ones, fat ones.
Sounds great. What do they do there?
Oh, all kinds of events. They have an obedience competition.